everyone, so I haven't been to the grocery store in 3 weeks, so the cupboards are bare, the pantry is bare, the fridge is bare, and plus that I have company coming to stay with us in 2 days, so I had to get a huge load of groceries, and I don't plan on going back to the grocery store for like 3 weeks. So I thought this would be the perfect time to do a huge grocery haul for you guys. A lot of you have been requesting that I do another grocery haul. This is all of the groceries that I got at Fry's, and if you're wondering what Fry's is, it's just what they call the Kroger grocery stores out here. But as you can see, the store brand products are Kroger products, so I don't know why they don't call it Kroger. I don't know why it's called Fry's. So first we have Hershey bars, because one of the nights that our company's here, we're gonna have a bonfire outside and we're gonna have some s'mores. Then I've got mozzarella cheese for the lasagna that I'm gonna make, cheddar cheese slices for when we have sandwiches. We're gonna go hiking while they're here, so we're gonna be packing lots of sandwiches. I got a big bag of string cheese. The boys love these for a snack, and also they'll be great to take hiking with us. Small cottage cheese for my lasagna. I got a couple different kinds of yogurt, 3 different Greek yogurts. Then we've got peach, strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, regular yogurt. 2 baggies of baby carrots, sharp cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, some vanilla ice cream because I'm gonna make brownies while they're here, a bag of French fries, and then I got 2 boxes of K-Cups, the French vanilla 8 o'clock, and then the Kroger brand French vanilla. And back there I have some lasagna noodles for the lasagna that I'm gonna make, French vanilla creamer, and then I got heavy whipping cream for a dessert that I'm gonna make while our company's here. I got a jug of milk, and I also got a gallon jug of orange juice, 3 tomatoes, a bag of Idaho potatoes, a bag of hamburger buns from the bakery. I got one of these big loaves of bread from the bakery. I'm gonna slice this up and toast it to go with our lasagna. Then I got English muffins for breakfast, 2 packages of cream cheese for some recipes that I'm doing. We got ranch dip to make dip for the carrots, 2 packages of taco seasoning. I've got some bacon, and then I have turkey bacon under there, 2 boxes of these classic pork links for breakfast, and then I've got 2 packages of hot dogs, and then a package of mild pork sausage for breakfast, 3 green bell peppers, 2 different packages of lunch meat for making sandwiches, honey ham, and oven roasted turkey. And I got a bunch of bananas because just between our family, we can go through several bananas in one day, and plus we'll be having company, so I'm sure we'll be going through a lot of these. I got a baggie of granola for the yogurt, and back here in the back I have a lot of chips. I got 3 bags of the tortilla chips, the Kroger brand, because they're always $1, and we're going to be having lots of Mexican food while they're here, so I figured I would get a few bags of those. I got corn chips as well, and then I got some Cool Ranch Doritos and cheddar and sour cream chips. I figured that we could pack these with our sandwiches when we go hiking. 2 heads of iceberg lettuce. I got 4 lemons down in there to have with water and sweet tea. I've got 5 apples, bag of marshmallows for when we make s'mores, and I got 3 packages of tortillas because I make my husband a breakfast burrito every morning for him to take to work, plus sometimes I'll pack him some type of a burrito for lunch. And also I'm going to be making chicken enchiladas while our guests are here, so I'll be using a lot of tortillas for that. 2 bags of romaine hearts because we're going to be having a few salads while they're here. Semi-sweet baking chocolate chips for the dessert I'm making. These strawberries are also for the dessert I'm making. I'm making like this cream cheese strawberry pie that's off of Pinterest. It's so good. 2 of these 4 packs of corn. I'm going to be putting these in the chili, and also we're going to have corn with one of our meals. 2 bags of 100% whole wheat bread. A box of the chewy chocolate chip granola bars. Over here for canned goods, I got a few green beans. I have peas, diced green chili. There's a bunch of diced tomatoes here for like chili and stuff, and I got some beans, tomato sauce, 2 cans of Bush's baked beans. Then I've got some log cabin syrup, some milk chocolate brownies. Like I said, I'm gonna make brownies one of the nights they're here to go with the ice cream. Got some pancake and waffle mix, and then for cereal we have Honey Nut Cheerios and Lucky Charms. And then the last few things here, I have 2 bags of light brown sugar, and then 2 of these bags of frozen chicken breasts. And that is everything that I got at Fry's. I know it's a ton of groceries, but like I said, we had no food in the house, and plus we're having company coming, so we needed a lot of food. I also got a few grocery items at Walmart. The shredded cheese at our Walmart was on sale for a really good deal. Like, this was almost half price, so I decided to get the big bag. We live an hour from town, so if it's a grocery item that we use regularly, I try to get a big bag or a big container of it. Like, I got the big jug of salsa because we go through a lot of salsa. I get the big container of barbecue sauce, of ketchup. I also got some buttermilk ranch. This is for the lasagna that I'm gonna make. Got another box of Lipton tea bags for making iced tea, this package of cheddar cheese crackers, some summer sausage, 2 boxes of graham crackers for the s'mores and also for the dessert that I'm gonna make. I got a bag of animal crackers for Kyle, a box of some popcorn, and the sour cream was also on sale for a really good deal, so I got a big jug of that. I'm gonna be using it for a recipe and also for some of the meals that we're gonna have. So we should go through this big jug pretty fast. And that's all of the groceries that I got today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Before I end today's video, I wanted to show you guys the beautiful watch that Jord Watches sent to me. This is one of their men's watches. It's for my husband. I gave it to him as a Father's Day gift. It's so beautiful. I have a Jord watch as well, so I'm excited that now we can wear our matching watches. All of their watches come in these real wood boxes. They're really pretty. It has a little drawer down here on the bottom as well. And this watch was custom fitted to my husband's wrist. You just have to send them your wrist measurements and they will custom your watch for you. It also comes with a few extra parts, also some things to clean it with as well. Jord Watch is running a giveaway for you guys. You can get a $139 store credit. Just click the link down below to enter the giveaway. And then there also is a code down below that you can get $25 off your order and free sizing. That code is for everybody. And I will also put the link for the Jord website down below. Their watches are amazing and beautiful, and I'm excited that me and my husband now have matching watches.